This video is being produced to introduce the viewers to the operational features of the SmartRack barrel filling control system and how it may be of use to you in your winery. We take a look at the SmartRack itself. It comes on a little cart. But before we go into the features of that device, I want to point out to you the demonstration system so that you're not confused with how it's operating. We're using a 10-gallon little small oak barrel. It's got a glass end in it so you can see the liquid level. That's a water level right there, if you can see that. Kind of hard to see. And then this is a piping arrangement with 4 ball valves. It allows me to switch the pump. It's a little self-priming pump there to move the water around, to switch the inlet and outlet without having disconnected. So we can fill the barrel and we can empty the barrel. So you can start and stop the filling and the emptying process on the barrels themselves. Okay, so let's see what else we want to go to then. We want to point out how the SmartRack works without a pump being plugged in. So we've got power applied to the SmartRack. When you have power applied, the green LED is steady green. So that tells you it's ready to go. It's in operational mode. So we can hit the start button, and you hear the small light click. I hope you heard it. That's the contact relay that would turn the pump on. And the power is going in by this 25-foot cable, and the power coming out is 3-phase power there. That would be going to your wine pump or your beverage pump, whatever you use to pump. And you hit stop, and it stops. So you can start it. You have to start it with the start button, but you can stop it with either one, the start or the stop. Notice there I hit the start again, and it stopped it. While it's running, you hit start. The little green LED is flashing on a 1 cycle, 1 hertz frequency. That tells you that the pump should be running and operational. And when you hit stop, it goes back to steady green on, so it's ready to go again. And that's basically it. One other feature to point out is the emergency shut off or stop button. We start it up, and if for some reason a hose ruptured or whatever, and you wanted to shut it down, you hit that button right there. The little red light comes on, letting you know that you got the emergency shutdown. And so then you want to go to your handheld controller, hit stop, and then twist this, and it comes out of the lock mode. And it comes back, and it's ready to go again, whenever you're ready. Okay, so we want to move over to the demonstration unit now, and we'll put it in operation. So we're going to place the SmartRack down inside the little barrel. It's set up there. Then this is an adapter that converts from 208 3-phase to 120 volt, so that we can run a little 120 volt pump, a little positive displacement pump, self-priming. So she's ready to go. If you take a look there, the level's down, so we're going to hit start. We'll hear the pump start up. It'll cut itself off automatically at the level that we've set, the little red band level. Let me pull it back out so you can see that. There's the red band cutoff level. Okay? It needs to be calibrated to that point. Let me put it into calibration mode. This calibration mode will be covered in a different video. Okay, let's see if it operates now. Okay, let's hit calibrate again. Go into the calibrate mode. Okay, so now it's going to go down to the set point on the little red band. So it should be ready to go. So we can put it back in the barrel now. It's been recalibrated to where the red band is. We hit start. The level rising. When it reaches the set point, it'll shut off. And there it is. Just that easy. So if you want to reverse the pump and empty the barrel so we can demonstrate it a different way, flip my barrel back over. Take it out of the liquid, and we start up the pump. It should lower the level. Alright, that's low enough. Now I want to demonstrate the leveling rack as part of the handheld control system. We rotate it around. This is for those barrels that are mounted on a rotated below some other barrels in a high stack of barrels. This allows the handheld control system and a vertical sensing tube to be mounted vertically. So now, we switch the valves back so we can fill the barrel. And all we have to do is hit start. And it'll fill up and cut itself off automatically again. And there it is. It's automatically cut off. And this concludes the SmartRack operational features video.